Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to the Make Rich Money channel. Today we are going to show you how affiliate marketing works and how you can get started with it even if you are a complete beginner. I would advise you to watch to the end because we are going to give you some amazing tips. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can regularly help you with tips to grow your income. Now let's get straight into the video. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, but most people don't know where to start. That's why we are going to break it down for you step by step and show you exactly what to do. So sit back and relax because in just a few minutes, you are going to know everything you need to start making money as an affiliate marketing. Number one, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an online advertising model in which a company rewards affiliate marketers for each customer brought by the affiliate marketer. The affiliate marketer simply promotes the product or service through their own unique affiliate link, which is tracked by the affiliate network or merchant. If a sale is made, the affiliate marketer will receive a commission from the sale. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, and it can be a great way to earn some extra income. To get started, all you need is a website or blog. You can then sign up for affiliate programs and start promoting products. When people click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you will earn a commission. There are many affiliate programs to choose from, so you can promote products that interest you. You can also find affiliate marketing groups on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. You can join these groups to find other affiliate marketers to connect with and learn from. It's simple to get started, and there are many affiliate programs to choose from. With a little effort, you can start earning extra income from affiliate marketing. Number two, how does affiliate marketing work? The industry has four core players: the merchant, also known as the retailer or brand; the network that contains offers for the affiliate to choose from and also takes care of the payments; the publisher, also known as the affiliate; and the customer. Affiliate marketing is commonly confused with referral marketing, as both forms of marketing use third parties to drive sales to the retailer. However, both are distinct forms of marketing, and the main difference between them is that affiliate marketing relies purely on financial motivations to drive sales, while referral marketing relies on trust and personal relationships to drive sales. Affiliate marketing is often seen as a scalable way to earn money online because it offers little upfront investment and has the potential to generate a significant income stream. For example, if you were to promote a product through an affiliate link on your blog, you would only need to invest a few minutes of your time creating content, and then you could potentially earn a commission on every sale that results from your blog post. However, while affiliate marketing can be an effective way to earn money online, it's important to understand the risks and potential downsides before getting started. One of the main risks is that you may promote a product that is not high quality or that you do not believe in, which could cause you to lose credibility with your audience. In addition, if you don't have an audience yet, it may be difficult to get started with affiliate marketing. While there are many potential rewards, it's important to keep these risks in mind before getting started with affiliate marketing. Number three, why you should consider affiliate marketing. If you are thinking about ways to monetize your YouTube channel, affiliate marketing could be a great option, and there are a few reasons why affiliate marketing could be a good fit for your channel. First, affiliate marketing can be a great way to supplement your income. If you are not generating enough revenue from ad sales or sponsorships, affiliate commissions can help you reach your financial goals. Second, affiliate marketing can help you build credibility with your audience. If you are promoting products that are relevant to your niche and that your viewers trust, this can help you establish yourself as an authoritative figure. Third, affiliate marketing can lead to new opportunities down the road. If you build up a strong enough relationship with a brand, they may offer you other partnership opportunities in the future, such as sponsoring your channel or collaborating on projects. If you are thinking about affiliate marketing, here are 4 reasons why you should give it a try. First, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. You can continue to earn commissions on sales that were made months or even years ago. Second, affiliate marketing is a great way to build up your brand and generate exposure for your channel. When people see that you are promoting products they are interested in, they will be more likely to check out your channel and see what else you have to offer. Third, affiliate marketing can be a great way to connect with other YouTube creators. By working with other creators who are promoting similar products, you can build mutually beneficial relationships and help each other grow your channels. Fourth, affiliate marketing can be a great way to diversify your income stream and protect yourself against changes in the YouTube algorithm. If you are only relying on YouTube ad revenue, you could see a significant drop in income if YouTube decides to make changes to its algorithm. However, if you have affiliate commissions coming in from other sources, your overall income will be much more stable. So if you are looking for ways to monetize your YouTube channel, affiliate marketing could be a great option to consider. Just make sure to do your research and choose products that are relevant and trustworthy to promote. Number 4, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? There are a few things you need to do in order to get started with affiliate marketing. First, you need to find affiliate programs that are a good fit for your niche. There are affiliate programs available for just about any niche imaginable, so there's sure to be one that's a good match for you. Second, you need to promote the affiliate program on your blog or YouTube channel. You can do this by writing blog posts or creating videos that discuss the affiliate program and why it's a good fit for your audience. Finally, you need to track your results so that you can see which affiliate programs are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. While affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money, it's important to remember that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will need to put in time and effort to build up your audience and create quality content if you want to be successful. But if you are willing to put in the work, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money or even a full-time income. Number 5, what are some common mistakes people make with affiliate marketing? There are a few common mistakes that people make when they first start affiliate marketing, and if you can avoid them, you will be well on your way to success. One mistake is failing to properly research affiliate programs before signing up for them. It's important to make sure that the program is reputable and that it offers products and services that you're interested in promoting. Otherwise, you won't be able to generate much sales and you will quickly become frustrated with the process. Another mistake is not taking the time to build a relationship with your audience before trying to sell them anything. If people don't trust you or feel like they know you, they are not going to be interested in buying anything from you. Make sure that you are regularly posting high quality content and interacting with your followers before you start promoting affiliate products. One of the most common mistakes is not adding affiliate links in your videos. If you are going to promote a product or service, be sure to include an affiliate link in the description so that viewers can click through and make a purchase. Another mistake is not using affiliate links in blog posts or on social media. If you are sharing content that you think would be useful to your audience, include an affiliate link so that people can check out the product or service for themselves. Another tip, don't rely on affiliate income as your only source of income. Diversify your revenue streams by promoting products through affiliate marketing, selling advertising on your channel, and creating and selling your own products. This will help you build a sustainable business and protect yourself from any potential issues with affiliate networks. Finally, don't try to promote too many different products at once. It's important to focus on a small number of products so that you can really give each one the attention it deserves. Trying to promote too many products will just overwhelm your audience and make it harder for you to make sales. If you can avoid these common mistakes, you will be well on your way to affiliate marketing success. Number 6, what are some best practices for affiliate marketing? If you are looking to make money through affiliate marketing, there are some best practices you should keep in mind. First, focus on promoting products that are relevant to your niche audience. It's important to choose products that you believe in and that you think your audience will find valuable. Second, be sure to cultivate relationships with the merchants you are affiliated with. Good communication will help to ensure that you are promoting the right product and getting the most commission possible. Third, you need to make sure your affiliate links are conspicuous and easy to find. You don't want viewers to have to search for them. If they can't find them, they are not going to click on them. Fourth, you need to be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationships. If you are selling something, let them know that upfront. By being upfront and honest with your viewers, you will build their trust and keep them coming back for more. YouTube affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money from your channel as long as you keep these best practices in mind. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with your affiliate marketing strategy. Try different approaches and see what works best for you and your audience. By following these best practices, you will be on your way to affiliate marketing success. Number 7, how can you improve your chances of success with affiliate marketing? To increase your chances of success, there are a few things you can do. Start by choosing a niche that you are passionate about. This will help you stay motivated and focus on your affiliate marketing goals. Do your research and choose affiliate programs that offer products or services that are relevant to your niche. Make sure you have a well-designed website or blog that is optimized for conversions. Promote your affiliate links through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Keep track of your results and adjust your strategies accordingly. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different affiliate programs and commission structures until you find the combination that works best for you. By following these tips, you will give yourself a better chance of achieving success with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching our affiliate marketing for beginners video. We hope you found it helpful and that it gave you a better understanding of what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment letting us know what you think. We love hearing from our viewers. Thank you.